Okay guys, I want to show you the oscilloscope. Is duty is 50 and the signal generator has duty 50. Now I want to connect my GreenBox to the frequency is almost 50. Then I change the signal to reduced duty 40. We connect the oscilloscope is 40 now, and if we connect my GreenBox it goes to 60. If I go to with the signal generator to 80, the oscilloscope goes to 80 and my GreenBox goes to 20. So it means that is at the opposite of the oscilloscope, but is aligned to the frequency valve. It means frequency valve is 20% open in your time and 80% close for his time.